TV. Kompetenz la. Les amis. Allez dans les maisons. Mais pour être critiqué tous les côtés pour nous. From the left hand side, pass the Dutchie from the left hand side. We gonna back.
Girl, what's good? It's Dutchie Monroe, and I would like you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for whenever I post another video, you will be notified. Now, I know I'm looking crazy right now, and this is a whole different scene, but as you can see, that's the room back there, right? I'm in my yard. Say what's up to the yard. I haven't made a video in a while. Obviously, I'm gonna update y'all on what's been going on. I'm fixing my room up, guys. Let's roll a clip. Let's see what it looked like real quick. So, being that I am painting and everything, I didn't want to make any videos. I wanted to change up my room and switch it up on y'all and just come out the blue. Out the blue, get it? And I wanted to just, you know, spring up on y'all with a whole nother room and a whole nother look. But I felt inspired to make a vlog style video. So y'all see me looking busted right now. Everything's good. The hair's in the plaits, as y'all can see, but this is not a hair video. No, this is a DIY renovations video. I'm not even doing that much. I'm just painting, ordering some stuff, and setting up a nice background for you guys at home watching me do my thing. So y'all gonna see my hair videos done differently. Y'all gonna see whatever video that I end up making, whatever content I end up making, y'all gonna see it done differently. It's about time that I take this YouTube business serious. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna show y'all the end results. Okay, so first things first, you want to start by getting all your screws, nails, whatever you may have, tape, all off your walls. Get some soap and water, clean your walls before you get the paint on there, because you know there's dust on walls, you have dirt, grime, whatever, and you don't want that on your paintbrush. You want to tape up every corner, nook, and cranny that you could possibly find that you do not want any trim paint, wall paints to get onto. Just make sure that you want your lines clean. not no professional painter or anything. However, my idea to knock out this whole room was paint the trim first, get all the nooks and crannies and the crevices, and then get to the wall. Now with me having a carpet all over the house, it's easier for me to do the trim first and put the plastic over the trim that I just painted after it dries and continue onto the walls. So no paint splatter will be on the floor and the trim. Aha, smart thinking.
The thing we got is better than this. Need you to trust me. This town ain't crazy, nobody guesses. It's the way you do your thing, yeah, you mesmerizing me. I'ma tell you how I feel. It's the way you do your thing, and the feeling is so real, and I never wanna leave you. Here we are lying under the stars. I'd do anything to own your heart. The world is gonna let them tear us apart. So why won't you put your love on me now? So put your love on me now. So put your love on me, darling. Put your love on me now. Trust me. The grass ain't greener on the other side. Need you to trust me. No other side when it's you and I. Trust me. The thing we got is better than this. Need you to trust me. This town is crazy, nobody cares like we do. It's the way you do your thing, yeah, you mesmerizing me. I'ma tell you how I feel. It's the way you do your thing, and the feeling is so real, and I never wanna leave you. Here we are lying under the stars. I'd do anything to own your heart. The world is gonna let them tear us apart. So why won't you put your love on me now? So put your love on me now. So put your love on me, darling. Put your love on me now. Here we are lying under the stars. I'd do anything to own your heart. The world is gonna let them tear us apart. So why don't you put your love on me now? Put your love on me now. Put your love on me, darling.
Now with any paint job, I would assume that you would get all the nooks and crannies with the paintbrush and then go in with the larger spots with a roller. That would make it a little easier, so you don't have to try to get the nooks and crannies with the roller and mess up one of the walls, which I kind of did a lot of times. You just see me acting a fool in this video. Either way, I want you guys to enjoy the video. Stay tuned because there's a part 2 coming, maybe a part 3, because I'm not just done yet. Oh no, there's more to come. So please like, subscribe, share, get it out there. Comment in the comment box, check out the description box, and I'll see y'all till the next time.
10 minutes. Okay? Guadeloupe, Martinique, St. Lucia, Dominica, Haiti. Sac passe to all of my Haitians out here. Whoa!